Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Amazfit Pop 3R with an iPhone. So let's begin. First we need to head to the App Store. So opening App Store, and when you're in the App Store you need to search for the Zip Active app. So here is the Zip Active app. I'll click on Get Over Here, and then here we need to verify. Alright, so verification is complete and you will see that the Zip Active is downloading. So after the Zip Active has been downloaded, make sure to open the application, and then you need to allow all the permissions that it wants so that it can function with the watch properly. So here we need to select region. After selecting region, click on next, and now just swipe these screens, click on start using. Enter your data like username, unit settings, etc. Then click on next. Alright, now we are here on how to connect. So here we need to connect to our device. Make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. So I'm turning on my Bluetooth. It's turned on now. And now I will click on search for a device. And as you can see, Amazfit Pop 3R has popped up. And if I swipe down on the control center of the watch, you'll be able to see red Bluetooth icon which states that it's not connected right now. So here in add device, make sure that you are clicking Amazfit Pop 3R, and then the connecting process will start. Here already blue Bluetooth icon has popped up. Let me show again, and now we need to click pair on the phone and make sure to allow everything so that it functions properly. Click on the tick icon on your watch, and then pairing successful. So here, as you can see, binding is successful. You can just click on start experience over here. Make sure to enable message and incoming call alert as they are enabled. I'm going to click on finish. Alright, so here we are. Now we need to allow the location service permission. So let's click on allow while using app. Alright, so at this point the phone is connected to the watch already. If we click on our profile on the lower right corner over here, then you'll be able to see that it's connected to Amazfit Pop 3R, which has 93% battery. If I go to watch and scroll down the control center, you see 93% battery and Bluetooth turned on. Bluetooth calling is also turned on, so it's successfully connected with the iPhone. So guys, that's how you can connect your Amazfit Pop 3R with your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.